Greenfield Breweries Enugu, popularly known as Amaeke Brewery of Nigerian Breweries Plc, is the largest and most modern brewery in Africa. Located in 9th Mile, Amaeke in Enugu State, Amaeke is the 6th brewery of Nigerian Breweries Plc and the 2nd in Enugu State. The brewery was commissioned on October 24th, 2003. The Amaeke Brewery, which has been described as the jewel in the crown of Nigerian Breweries Plc and reputed to be one of the most modern breweries in the world and the first of its kind in Africa. In 2022, Nigerian Breweries Plc commissioned civil work for the expansion project at the Amaeke Breweries. The expansion project, worth 56 billion naira, is expected to boost the brewing capacity from 3 million hectolitres to 4.8 million hectolitres in the first phase and up to 6 million hectolitres in the second phase of the project. Today, Nigerian Breweries Plc brand includes the Star Lager Beer, Gouda Lager Beer, Maltina, Legend Extra Stout, Desperados, Amstel Malt, Heineken, Peruse, Climax, Gold Badge, Malta Gold, Ace Passion, Starlight, Star Ladler, and Live Continental Beer.